I have already showed what are the ingredients are required to make chicken dum biryani. Now I am adding those ingredients and to marinate this chicken. So first of all I am adding salt. For 1 kg we need to add around 4 spoons. Then we need to add
turmeric
powder. Half spoon is required. That much is enough. And after that we need to add ginger garlic paste. This is fresh ginger garlic paste. In market you will get packets, but that won't give good taste to chicken biryani. So that's why we have prepared freshly. And we need to add curd. Around 200 grams is enough for 1 kg chicken.
Then we need to add chili powder.
Then we
according to your spiciness, we have to add.
Yeah. So
here we are making for medium spiciness.
Yes.
For this purpose, we are adding 3 to 4 spoons of Ashirwad chili powder, which is available in market.
Okay. We have added 5 spoons of chili powder. Then we need to add in this coriander leaves and also mint leaves. Later on we will add that one. And the main important thing is that in this we need to add oil also. That oil, whatever we will fry, that onions we will fry, that oil only we need to take. That is the secret of chicken dum biryani. So the taste will come from there only. I am mixing now.